Should your website have more content or less content? Right? Many people have these questions. So whenever they are designing for SEO, they often need little bit more content, right? So more content, right? More links, more those kind of stuff, right? But at the same time, they want to improve the user experience and convert a lot more people, right? So that is why they tell that now most user experience professionals don't want the other distractions to be around, so they want you to design a site with a lesser content, focused content, right? So that is the struggle, right? As a business owner also I had this struggle, right? So what is the perfect balance, right? So there is no perfect balance. Do you understand that? There is no perfect balance. The perfect balance is the content, right? How you arrange the content. What is the structure of that content? Whether that, see, when people gain the content, when people gaze at something in the website, they don't look at the whole web page. Okay, you might be imagining that they look at the whole thing. They don't. They don't do that. So what do they do basically? So they see the content that they want to see. And our human mind and eyes are so powerful, they quickly identify those things if they are arranged properly. Right? So if they are labeled properly. Right? So if always understand, let us understand now it into a normal perspective, right? So you go to a shop, and in that shop, so there are like shelves, like a couple of shelves, right? So in those shelves, so what they do in a particular uh, place, okay, a particular segment, so what do they have? They have a no, coconut oil, or maybe some food items over there, right? So which are, let us take cooking related items. So particularly let us take now refined oil, palm oil or whatever, okay, and now so coconut oil and those kind of thing, right? So now now my question is, in South India, especially in Kerala, okay, so if you are in Kerala, the coconut oil is used with for cooking purposes. For the rest part of the country, most part of the country, it is not used as a cooking oil, right? So when you are a shop in Odisha, or if you are a shop in Delhi, right? The coconut oil, people would not be looking at the food segment. They would be looking at the bath segment, like the soaps and those things that are there. Okay, so bathing soap and those things. So they will look at that section, or closer by that section. Okay, you will also look at like closer by that section for the coconut oil, because in northern India, what do? You put it on your hair, right? So you will look for that section. But if you are designing that in Kerala, so maximum chances are people are going to look at the in the food section, where refined oil is there, where the sarson tel, so like mustard oil is there, where the palm oil is there. So those segments, in that segment, people will look at, right? So whenever you are designing, and they will just look at it, they will never look at your rice section, other sections, right? Because they didn't come to buy that, they came to buy oil. They will look at the oil section, they came to buy coconut oil, they will buy the coconut oil. If they don't want the other things, they will just take it, go away. They will never look at the other stuffs, right? So that is how our mind is designed, right? Until and unless it is on our face, right? On our face, in front of that this thing. So it is not our intention also, right? So if they have the first, they have to buy the coconut oil, then we have a good relationship. Now we can sell a lot of other stuffs whenever they are purchased, right? So the first thing first is that they will look for that. So if your content is arranged in such a way and the call to action, like I can purchase immediately from that without getting disturbed by the other stuffs, that is very critical. Okay, so even if you have like 500 different things, it will never matter, right? So but there is a standard, there is a maximum and minimum, which we will discuss in further details. But the thing is that